Out of experiential learning, students are really able to try out their skills and competencies, build their networks, and develop who they are as a public health professional. Experiential learning is about students being able to take what they're learning in the classroom and apply it in a real-world setting.
So what we're trying to do with the MPH curriculum is really strengthen the extent to which we have students actually practice the theory, apply the theory. Why do we need to know this? How would we use it in practice? So for a course-based program that in a professional degree, we do think it's very important for students to have some experience with the practice, kind of like it looks like in the real world.
What has been beneficial, it's been like kind of reflecting on what exists out there. Because we're not just learning in theory what's there, but then you have an opportunity to reflect and kind of conceptualize aspects in the real world situations. Like, okay, this is what you're learning, but in real life, this is how it looks like. So it gives you that opportunity to kind of conceptualize how things would look like in real world.
Everybody from guest speakers to organizational partners who can come in and do experiences with students in the classroom, whether it be a simulation or whether it's a lecture series or a workshop, as well as scaffolding that or building on that with connections to organizations where students can go out for a very short time period and have a visit with an organization to discuss about a specific type of public health approach. And then the next step, the bigger step, is this practice experience, this immersive experience in an organization.
What students get out of experiential learning is experience. They are more adept at being able to make the links between theory and practice. They will be able to be more articulate even about what public health is. Because public health is by definition interdisciplinary, it's cross-sectoral. We want our students, by the time they graduate, to be able to think in those terms and be able to articulate that.
It prepares you to go out there and impact lives. It prepares you to go out there, and use what you have learned to make a difference. So if you're really ready to make a difference, I would say it's a good program that will give you all the skills you need.